stare, wherever we may go. Because we like to power up. Power up, power up, power up. You ask us, what does power up mean? We always have the power of water. And it can be found right at our side. Drink more water. Tonight, everyone will get a bottle of water. Remember to power up with water.